Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create your first database in Baserow for 2025. Baserow is an open-source, no-code database tool that's great for organizing your data in an easy and flexible way. To get started, open Baserow and sign in or create a free account. Once you're in your workspace, click on Create New Database. You'll see the main options: Start from scratch or use a template. If you're new, templates are a great way to explore how Baserow structures data. Let's start from scratch. Give your database a name like Project Tracker or Client List, then click Create. Inside your new database, you'll see a table that looks a lot like a spreadsheet. Each column is called a field and each row is a record. This setup helps you structure your data clearly. You can rename fields by clicking on their names, for example, change field 1 to task name, field 2 to deadline, and so on. You can also change field types, such as text, number, date, checkbox, or even link to another table. This flexibility lets you build databases for any kind of project or workflow you need to organize effectively. To add new records, simply click the plus button at the bottom of the table. Each new record fills in your database just like adding rows in a spreadsheet. You can also create multiple tables inside the same database to organize different types of data like tasks, clients, or resources. This makes Baserow great for managing complex data structures. And that's it. You've just created your first database in Baserow. It's powerful, flexible, and perfect for organizing anything from projects to content planning. Explore more templates and features to take your workflow to the next level. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.